Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm happy to share the latest and up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be providing everything that we need to know. So prices, SKU, product features, and launch dates would be included here. You know our practice, guys. If you like anything here so far, kindly take a screenshot with your cell phones and laptops. And for orders and availability, please do check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me guys to reach my 4,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. Also, kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming Louis Vuitton bags that will be launching March 2024. Prices, features, product codes are included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Happy shopping, guys! Guys, let us discuss first the DAMIERLICIOUS collection. First, we have in Vrine collection is the side trunk. Price is €3,600. We have SKU here. So this is a new pattern or canvas in the Dame Azure. It would come with vachetta trims, gold hardware, and S-Lock launching March 15th, 2024. Then we have the pochette Lexington. Price is €1,800. We have SKU here. So this looks like a newer version of the pochette accessoire, of course, in the new canvas print of the DAMIERLICIOUS Vernis collection. It would come with leather strap and chain strap as well. Then we have the very beautiful loop bag. Price is €2,450, still part of the DAMIERLICIOUS Vernis collection. So this one, the colorway is in the pink colorway. Of course, it would come with the adjustable vachetta strap. It would come with a gold chain strap as well. Then we have the Capin 45. So this is from the classic DAMIERLICIOUS collection and the color is beige. So this is like what we have discussed on the previous vlog, but we have more drops. So we have the Capin 45, which is the price of €2,700 and having same launch date of March 15th, 2024. Then we have the very beautiful twist east-west configuration. Price is €4,200. So this one now still part of the DAMIERLICIOUS collection, but it is entirely beaded. As you can see here, it is intricately beaded with this very beautiful design. It has gold hardware and detachable shoulder strap. Then we have the Capin Mini. Price is €6,100, still part of the beads collection from the DAMIERLICIOUS with the color John Bros. Hopefully I am pronouncing that right. How beautiful the pattern of the embellishment of beads of this very beautiful Capin Mini. Then we have the Nano No Way. Price is €1,600. We have SKU here. So from the first drop of the DAMIERLICIOUS in the color pistache. So this is the classic Nano No Way, meaning canvas is the body, but it would come with the vachetta leather trims, vachetta top handle, and vachetta crossbody strap. Then we have the Vrine Wallet. Price is €500. The colorway is pistache in the DAMIERLICIOUS collection, which would be also launching March 15, 2024. So this is the SLG
It is a compact wallet with gold hardware, and I am loving that they are using this pistache color on this SLG. Then we have the Zippy Wallet. Price is €710 with the same colorway of pistache from the DAMIERLICIOUS collection. So since this is a Zippy Wallet, so the color of the hardware is gold. Of course, on the inside it would come with multiple card slots and space for our bills and credit cards. Then we have the very beautiful pochette accessoire. Price is €1,400. The colorway of this one is beige. This is the updated version of the pochette accessoire. On the inside, it would have an interior pocket and would come with chain strap and vachetta strap. Then we have the very beautiful Horizon size 55. Price is €3,100. We have SKU here. So this is a rolling luggage style in the colorway of beige. Launching March 15, 2024. So this is the interior. It would come with black interior and it would come with vachetta trims. Then we have the new collection. We have the Nautical collection that would be launching March 22, 2024. The very first one is the Fair or Fairy bag. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, but the price of this one is €5,200. So this is a new design of the Cans bag that is made to look like a lighthouse. Then of course we have the on-the-go size MM. Price of this one is €3,300. The colorway is navy. The material is leather, and as we are seeing here, it has the Louis Vuitton logo in front that is made from ropes. Alright, so new design bags we have, guys. This would be famous. We have the on-the-go size BB. So this is the smallest size of on-the-go family. Price is €2,400. That would be launching March 29, 2024. So this would be part of the permanent collection. So the colorway of this one is in Noir. It would also come in the Toral collection, as you can see here. It is like the grayish beige colorway. It would come with gold hardware. So as mentioned, this is the size BB because the smallest one before is the size PM. So definitely this is a cute bag, but just take note that since this is a small bag, you have to be very careful of the things that you need to bring on a daily basis. Then we have, of course, the new collection, the Epi Extra Large collection. So first we had the Christopher MM. Price is €3,700. We have SKU here. The material is the very beautiful and my personal favorite, the Noir Epi Leather, and it would come in silver hardware, which would be launching March 29th, 2024. Then we have the soft Polochon bag. Price is €2,600. So this bag, so it has a slouchy design. It comes with silver hardware. It would have a top handle, bag tag, and of course a fully detachable leather crossbody strap as well. Then we have the just in case bag. Price is €2,200. We have SKU here. This would be launching March 29, 2024. So this is a new design bag and the main material is in the reverse monogram. This is going to be an Asian exclusive, but a classic monogram will be launching worldwide on a later date. So kindly stand by on that one. Then we have SLGs from the Color Animation Collection. The Color Animation Collection would be launching March 29, 2024. So we have the card holder charms. It comes in two colors. So we have the green spring and the apricot a while ago. And we have the price and SKU here. So this one, we have the Lisa wallet for €520 in this very beautiful blue olive colorway with gold hardware. Then we have the classic Sarah wallet and the classic monogram canvas in the same interior of blue olive.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, did you like the latest and upcoming Louis Vuitton bags? Kindly comment below which one is your favorite. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a star sparkle emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!